people who are really into data, they want to look at the raw stuff. That's cool, but you cannot provide that kind of stuff to an executive or someone who isn't as into data as you might be, right?
Yeah, they'd probably want a higher level
Exactly,
look
right?
at things.
And we'll definitely show you those kind of features. It's very easy to collaborate and share reports, right? So I can create a report and then pass it on to my colleague. We could all be a part of the same team and look at that data. Once again, I'll show you that too as well. And Power BI, since it is cloud-based, I'm just going to skip down to all on the web right there because it's part of the integrations too as well. But since it is all on the web, I can access this pretty much from any device. So it is device agnostic. So whether it's mobile, tablet's a great presentation tool, and the Power BI charts look very beautiful on those.
Nice.
Mobile and desktop, and of course laptop too as well, from any modern browser, right? So I don't have to download anything. I could send the link to someone, and they would be able to open that, right? And going back to, since it is on the web, you don't have to spend too much computing power to do that. It's all done on Microsoft servers. And same thing with the integrations too as well. You could integrate with other platforms, which we'll speak about, right?
Perfect.
So getting right into the demos, I have a couple of scenarios that I want to show you, right? So let's pretend the director of marketing, which actually you are in marketing, the director of marketing comes to you and you've been doing a few campaigns, right?
Mhm.
So the shareholders want a meeting tomorrow just to see how effective these latest campaigns have been, right?
Okay.
And the meeting is tomorrow,
Oh my goodness.
right? So here's a couple of things that we need, and let's call them pain points, right? We need to first of all grab data from multiple sources. Now, of course, you working in marketing, you know that you have email marketing campaigns. You have we don't specifically do it, but there might be a TV campaign you're working on, a newspaper, print, etc., website campaign too as well.